In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an issue type in Jira. Now, if you're working on a project in Jira and you realize that an issue has been incorrectly categorized or needs to be updated to better reflect its current state, getting the issue type right can help in organizing and prioritizing tasks more effectively. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. Take a moment to find the issue or work item that you wish to change the type of. Once you've located it, click to open that issue. You'll notice a variety of details listed about the issue, but what you're looking for is the issue type icon. This handy little icon is conveniently located at the top left of your screen, right next to the issue's name. It's usually a small symbol representing the current type of work item, like a task, bug, or story. Now, once you find that issue type icon, go ahead and click on it. You'll see that a drop-down menu appears. This menu is your gateway to adjusting the issue type to better fit the needs of your project. In this drop-down, you'll find a list of various issue types that are available for selection within your project. It's important to choose the one that accurately describes the content and priority of the work item. The available options might differ slightly based on how your Jira is set up, but common options include task, bug, epic, and story. If you're unsure which one to pick, consider how each issue type might be processed differently in your workflow. For example, a bug might undergo a different resolution path compared to a task or a story. Once you've decided on the appropriate issue type, simply click on it from the drop-down menu. You'll notice that the issue type updates instantly, changing the icon and also the categorization within your project. This can immediately impact how team members view and handle the issue, so ensure your selection aligns with your intentions. And just like that, you're all set. Changing an issue type in Jira is a quick and straightforward process. With these steps, you can ensure your issues are categorized properly for better project management. Handy, isn't it? Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!